If you're checking out different home builders in the Cincinnati area, you may have come across Maronda Homes. Today, we are in the Providence neighborhood where homes are starting in the 250s, and we're gonna give you guys a walkthrough of the Chatham model floor plan. Very cool floor plan, very cool home builder. Stay tuned for all of it. All right, hey guys, welcome back. My name's Eric Sztanyo from Keller Williams Realty and Team Sztanyo.com, where we are helping you find your home and strengthen your family. And today, we're in a very cool new model home. I've never been in the Maronda Homes before, and I like them. I like them a lot. We've done a lot of videos here on new construction homes. We've shown Fisher homes a lot, which make really good homes. Got some cool areas in Westchester, Mason, Union, Kentucky, Alexandria that we've shown. Be sure to check out all those videos. But today, we're looking at the Chatham floor plan here at Maronda Homes. So let's take a look. Now, what I like about this floor plan, when you first walk into the house, you're basically walking into this wide open floor plan, which I really like. You're invited instantly into the living room. The living room then opens up into the kitchen. You've got an island that's great, all these stainless appliances. You've got taller cabinets that you normally get maybe with potential builder's grade cabinets. And then as you move across inside of the floor plan, there's an optional sunroom that you can take, which really opens it up nicely. It's a beautiful spot on the first floor. As you walk upstairs, you've got 4 bedrooms on the second floor. First bedroom's off to your right, which is great. One thing you notice here is, you guys can check this out, are the hallway here is super wide, like super duper wide. I don't know if you can see. It's wider than a normal hallway that you get in a house for sure. Now it is a little strange. At the end of this hallway, you can see myself in the mirror, and there's a double vanity. It's kind of like an open bathroom situation. This is the only model Maronda Homes says they do that in, and it's totally optional. They said, yeah, most people choose to put like a door right here because it's kind of weird to have 2 sinks open right here. But you've got this hall bath, full bathroom, which is great. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms upstairs, as well as second floor laundry. Everybody loves second floor laundry. Very cool. One thing I love about the master bedroom here is you have this optional kind of tray ceiling, which always is a nice touch to have in the master. You've got a walk-in closet, and then it opens up into the master suite with a nice, beautiful tub, glass shower, tile. They did say that the tile now goes all the way to the ceiling. This model is actually 6 years old. And so, and also the base vanity is higher than a lot of other vanities that you might get with builders. One of the things I like about Maronda Homes is a lot of it is included in the base price. One thing would be the higher vanity. Another thing would be the fans in all the rooms. They have those hookups. Those are all included in the base price, which is nice. So you've got 2 more bedrooms upstairs. You've got a 2-car garage that comes with it, but an optional 3-car garage you can have. It's really a very beautiful home. It's well built. Another thing that the sales rep showed me that I was unaware of is that with the floor joists, they use engineered floor joists that are pre-built. It's not just a simple 2x10 that a lot of builders use. Their floor joists are solid. So a lot of times with your floors over the years, you'll get that it'll start to bend a little bit. There might be a little bit of sway in the floor, or you'll get those creaks in the floor because they're simply just 2x10s being laid down for the floor. With Maronda, they have these pre-built Tri-Force floor joists that are very cool, very strong, make it really easy to run electric or plumbing or anything like that through them, and they're gonna hold up and make the home overall much more solid feeling. So this neighborhood is very cool. The other thing that's going in, if you could see out the window here across the street actually, are these Fisher patio homes. The patio homes with Fisher are pretty nice because they take care of the lawn for you. But with Maronda Homes, you have this neighborhood here in Warren County in Providence. You also have up in Ohio, you have the Trails of Todd Hunter, where they have several lots. They're kind of going fast, but you can have some lots there. And then in Kentucky, down in Kenton County, you have Aosta Valley, Canberra Ridge, Freedom Park, and in Boone County, you have Gunpowder Trails, Triple Crown, and Wildcat Run. if you're looking for this particular Maronda home model. Obviously, they have other floor plans you can choose from, but we wanted to walk you through the floor plan of the Chatham here today. All right, guys, there's your look at the Chatham floor plan with Maronda Homes. Feel free to go through their website to check out their different floor plans. As I've mentioned in almost all my other videos, before you go to that model home and start talking prices and options and all of that, make sure you bring a buyer's agent with you who can represent you through the process, who can help you with your lending, who can help you with inspections, who can be an advocate for you throughout the buyer's journey, because building a home is a little bit of a process. You want someone at your side. It doesn't cost you a thing. The builder pays for it. The builder pays for the buyer's agent's commission. You don't pay for that commission. So make sure you get someone to come on your side. We'd love to obviously help you. I think I just smacked the mic, sorry. We'd love to help you do that in the Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky area. We love helping people buy new homes in the area, whether it's Maronda, whether it's Fisher, MI, Drees, anyone else, we'll help you out with that. But give us a call at Team Sztanyo. Make sure you watch our other videos on our other neighborhoods and other new construction homes, and we will talk to you guys later.